Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, as I promised you in my last video, I'm gonna show you how I make my avocado treatment. As I'm showing you right now, my banana, they are frozen. Also my avocado, I just got them from the freezer. Alright guys, I let my fruits outside a little bit so they can be warm and easier to blend. Then I transfer them in my blender and I also add my oils, avocado and sesame. You can add any oil of your choice, but me, I've chosen these two. After adding my oils, I add my moisturizing Cantu conditioner. Then I give it a good stir, a good mix. Then this is it, guys. During the application, let us talk briefly about the benefits of these ingredients for your hair. Starting with the avocado. You all know avocado has two minerals in them, potassium and magnesium. These two minerals found in avocado, they can help lock in moisture into your hair, improve your hair texture and shine, and they also encourage your hair growth, prevent your hair loss, and also avocado can unclog the hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. So you can see avocado is a very great ingredient, a very great food for your hair. Now the banana. You know, banana has a lot of protein in them. Each banana contains 1.3 gram of proteins, and you all know your natural hair, they need moisture and protein. Too much moisture can hurt, and too much protein can hurt also. But banana can stimulate your hair growth because bananas are packed with antioxidants that can help, promote your new hair growth. And beside that, they are rich in silica. The silica is another mineral that can help in achieving thicker and longer hair without split ends and any other damage. So this mask that I'm using, guys, it's full of great benefits, and it has the great balance because it contains, protein and moisture at the same time. Moving on to sesame oil. Sesame has also some great benefits for your hair. It can prevent premature hair graying. It promotes hair growth. It protects your hair from harmful UV rays. It protects your hair also from head lice. It protects your hair from heat damage and dry hair. It prevents your hair fall due to stress. And it also prevents your hair from dandruff, guys. So if you haven't chosen these foods yet in your hair regimen, please do so because they are really, really great and they have great benefits for your hair. As you can see, I have a little shedding amount. I finger detangle my hair, as you see in the video. That's the only thing that I've done. And this is the amount that I have left, guys. It's a little bit of, mask left because I am very generous when applying my mask. And I'm still applying some. Guys, I was caught up doing so many chores that I ended up leaving this in my hair for more than 1 hour. But please, 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 please don't do so, because after 10 to 15 minutes, your hair already soaked up all the moisture, all the goodies from the ingredients. So no need to leave this in your hair for more than 1 hour. Don't do like me, please. I was just doing my business and then I left it for more than 1 hour, but no need to do that, okay? After the treatment, my hair feels so soft. I give you a closer look of my hair. It is so soft, and you can see my curls also. And yeah, let me give you a look from the back. My hair needs a trim or a cut so bad, guys, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna take care of that. Okay, and I wanted to let you know also, you can do this treatment as a pre-poo. Pre-poo, for those of you who don't know, it's pre-shampoo. Okay, it's a mask that you do before shampooing your hair. But me, I chose to do this mask after shampoo because my hair was already washed, and then I just put the mask and then went in the shower and rinsed my hair. And as you can see, my hair feels clean and my scalp also feels so clean. So you can do it as a pre-poo or as a deep conditioning mask. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have tried this mask, please let me know in the comment down below. Also, if you have any recommendation, any advice, please let me know in the comment. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.